Hello guys, this is the Glamorous featuring my monochromatic look using the color Fuchsia. I feel as though this is a hot look, okay? So I'm going to show you the products used throughout the video. So the primer that I'm using for my base is Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer, followed by Anastasia Beverly Hills Pomade in dark brown to shade in my eyebrow. Yes, so I'm using LA Girls Pro Concealer and Fawn to clean up my eyebrow, giving you that wax brow, okay? Now I take a little bit of concealer and place it on my face where I see dark areas, any blemishes. I cover that up so I can have a flawless application. For added coverage, I also used Tarte concealer and deep sand. At this point, you can also use any other color correcting palettes to give you that flawless look. I play. So my choice of foundation is Pro Filter Foundation, number 440 by Fenty Beauty. I love this foundation. It works for me. It makes me feel like my skin is in the bottle. It's good. So now this sponge I got from my local beauty supply store. Nothing too pricey. It works for me when damp. I'm going in with the LA Girls Pro Concealer, Fawn for my under eye and all the highlighted areas. I'm trying to be woke out here and stay woke. So we all must agree that there's no wrong or right way to use a brush as long as the job gets done. Now this is a Real Techniques foundation brush and it works for me blending out my concealer and sometimes my contour. You understand? I was jamming, you guys. Please feel the vibe. And here is my beauty secret. I blend 2 finishing powders to make the best setting powder concoction ever. This is Mercier translucent powder mixed with a little bit Nye Topaz setting powder. Yes, I put a little bit more than I do in the summertime than I do in the winter time. This is setting the black girl magic, okay? Put it in your highlighted areas, places you know that you're going to sweat and dust off later. So as far as the eyeshadow, I found a palette in Claire's a while ago that holds a whole lot of colors. So I just picked up an eyeshadow brush, started with a light shade of pink. And this will be my base. I'm just blending that all over my eyelid, making sure it's fully covered and evenly distributed. So as you see, next I will pick up a deeper shade of pink. Almost like a wine color. And then I go over that with a light metallic pink. More so focusing that on the center of my eyelid so it can pop for contrast. And boom, right on top of that, I'm using the magenta shade. Now I'm no professional, but I do like makeup. And there it is. The moment we all been waiting for. This is NYX Metallic Glitter, and I've also used NYX Glitter Primer to hold that glitter on lock. Now after I set my eyeshadow and it's looking just like I want, I've dusted off the setting powder and I am now adding some contour powder from the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour palette in Deep, what happens to be one of my favorite. It's unfortunate that I don't have the rest of the film. It, I guess, did not save. So what you missed is me adding on lashes, my highlight from Anastasia Glow Kit, and last but not least, my NYX Cosmetic Meadows Lip Cream in the color Fuchsia Fusion. Now, going forward, I will make sure I got all the footage so you can actually see me apply everything. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.